Let's continue with part 2 of intercompany sales. We stopped part 1 when we hit the PI01 condition type error. So let's continue from there. I'm going to create a sales order AEBO. The customer will be 50002 from sales organization NY. The second one, the one under division laptop. And the material will be 1247 with order quantity of let's say 5 units, and press enter. Choose this sales organization, New York retail, and division is laptop. Now the default delivering plant is New York, since we are doing intercompany sales whereby we need to deliver from Dallas plant. So let us change it to Dallas and press enter. We'll hit the PI01 error again. Document has no checking group. You can ignore this message. The PI01 error is here. I'm going to teach you how to solve this error. This error is originating from our price determination, because let me go here. Sorry, here. If I highlight this and go to conditions, you can see there is a condition type which is PI01 is missing here, because in our pricing determination let me take you to price determination procedure. Sales pricing control, define assign pricing procedure. Go to this tab. We know that our pricing procedure is this. Pricing procedure RVAA01, just copy that and go to maintain pricing procedure. Position to pricing procedure RVA01, highlight it, go to control data, and you can see PI01 is here. So based on this setting, the system is trying to look for a value for the PI01, but it couldn't find it. So let us go and create it now. Go to sales and distribution, master data, expand conditions, and use this one. Earlier I teach you to maintain price using this condition creation screen, but for this one PI01 you cannot make use of this, because if we go to conditions and try to create by customer, you will not see the PI01 there. Let me show you. Click new, and the conditions that are available does not include PI01 here, so we cannot make use of this. I'll explain about the reason why it's not shown here when we come to this topic, understanding condition techniques. So the current topic now is not about this, so let me bypass that first. You must use the select using condition type and create and choose PI01 here. All the condition types will be available here, so it's not a problem. PI01 will also be available. Intercompany price, press enter. Sales organization of order is New York, plant is New York, plant should be Dallas, because the reason why we need PI01 is I've already told you that Dallas will be billing New York sales organization and Sun company code for the goods it delivers to the customer. So the logical question which arises is that what is the selling price that company code test 2 will be selling its goods to company code Sun. So to answer this logical question, bear in mind that the selling price between test 2 and Sun will be something higher than the cost price which is maintained in plant Dallas. So let us go and check what is the cost price that is handled in plant Dallas. Go to MM03 1247, accounting 1, Dallas, let's look at the price which is maintained. Standard price is $5. Let me write it down here in blue. Price, cost price, $5, and just bear in mind that since the goods are sold from Dallas plant and not from New York plant, the cost will be calculated from Dallas plant. Let me go to New York plant. You can notice the standard price for the same material in New York plant is $3. So we are not going to use that $3, we are going to use $5 because the plant is delivered from Dallas. So based on cost price of $5, let's say our selling price from test 2 to Sun should be $7, so that test 2 can make a profit of $7. Selling price, running short of space. Let me move this a bit up. Sale price $7. Good. Now so tester will be making a profit margin of $2. 7 minus 5, that's great. And the selling price, Sun will be selling customer will be something different. Let me check if I have already entered a price. I have not entered a price yet. Let me try to go back. I have not entered the price yet. Okay, we will enter that. We'll make sure the price that sales organization NY selling to customer will be something higher than the sale price of $7, so that as a group company we still can make profit. So sale price will be let's see $10, 11, let's make it 11. The reason why the selling price to the customer cannot be lower than $7 is because then Sun Company will be making losses, so we cannot be selling at that price, so it has to be higher than $7. Let's go and maintain this price now. Since we are using only one sales order, the price that will be entered here, the PR01 condition type, will be the price that we sell to the customer. So where do we enter this sales price $7 then? That is why we have this PI01 condition type here. This is intercompany price, as it says in English. Let me go there now. So this is intercompany sales price. It will be even better if I just change this to intercompany sales price. Say price IC stands for intercompany price $7. Let me save this. Now let me go here, here once again. Just to recap, we are at this location here: logistics, sales and distribution, master data, conditions. Say select using condition type, create. PI01, press enter. Now sales organization of order should be NY, plant will be Dallas, the material will be 1247, and amount will be $7, and save it. Condition record saved. If you want to display it, you can display it. Execute. You can see this here. If you want to change, you can change as well. Simple as that. Now go back to sales order. We'll try to refresh it again. Go back, press enter, select again. Peon still missing, probably is because of refresh problem. Let's go out and come again. VA01, press enter. If you enter the sales organization, distribution channel and division here, the system will not prompt you for the sales organization, distribution channel and division. Remember, when you press enter here after entering a material, the system will show you a pop-up to select the sales organization, distribution channel and laptop. That will not appear anymore because you have already entered in the selection screen itself. It is also appearing here, so it's better to enter it in that way. Enter order unit 5, press enter. See, the system doesn't prompt you for the sales organization, distribution channel and division anymore. You need to change this to Dallas. Again, just click OK. Pricing condition, mandatory condition, PY01 is missing. I'm not sure why we are still getting this error. Let me check the check why it's still not appearing, because I've already created it. Before that, let me maintain the document currency over here, USD. Now go back, go to this. PI01 is appearing now. So the problem was we did not enter the document currency. That's the reason it not retrieved the intercompany price. Now it has been retrieved, but we still have not maintained the sales price yet. So let us go and sales price. Sorry, PR00 is not appearing here. So let us go and maintain it now. Logistics, sales and distribution, master data, conditions, create, prices, individual price, customer material. Let me just view it, display. Let me check whether it is there. Valid on 19/2/2009. There is none. So we need to maintain it. Let's maintain it now. Create. The one that we created for earlier topics, it is on a different date. Let me show you. It was on a different date, as I can remember. Probably let's change it to 22nd. I remember maintaining a price. See, the earlier sales order that we created is for 22nd, so it is valid from 21st to forever. But since our sales order for today is dated on a different date, which is 19/2/2009, obviously this date does not fall in the validity of this condition record. The 19 does not fall in the validity of these two dates, so it cannot pick up this amount. Doesn't really matter. Let us go and create a new one, valid for 19. Create. So it's good that all our prices has got a validity date, so we can control in a better way. Condition type will be defaulted to PR00. Material will be 1247, and amount will be this amount, $11. Enter 11. Press save. So the validity will be overlaps with condition with shorter validity. This condition will be deleted when you save. Okay, so let me enter validity date of different validity date, valid up to 20/20th, so that it does not overlap with the validity date of 21st up to 20th, so we will not get this message anymore. Condition record save. We got that error just now because, as I told you earlier, we already have a price valid from 21st, which is $10. So if we were to create another price valid from 19 February to 31st December 9999, then this price will be overwritten, because we cannot have two prices for the same period. So that's why I cut short the validity up to 20th for the other price that we created just now. Sounds good? Now let us go and create it again. We need to quit, create again, ABO, enter again, choose 1247, 5 units, go to header, enter the USD, press enter, go back, change this to DALL, click OK. Now we did not get any error messages. Let us go and see. So the price of $11 has been picked up that we created just now. Intercompany price is $7. So the profit margin we are getting is $4. So the profit margin between this and this is $4. Sounds good. So let us save this now. Profit margin is shown here. Edit, Incoterms, enter, FOB, February on board, terms of payment immediate, gross weight 20 kg, net weight 5 kg, shipping point, receiving point. I think we do not have a shipping point. Oh god, we need to create it now. No possible entries because we did not assign any shipping point yet. So let us go now. Let us go and create a shipping point. All these are something like a revision topic for you because we've already seen how to create a shipping point. Sales, not in sales, it is in logistic execution. Shipping, basic shipping functions, shipping point, assign shipping points, let's assign so without creating a shipping condition and loading group, we create a shipping point which is flat and applicable for all the plant as a whole regardless of the loading group and shipping condition. Let's create a new entry, enter NY, shipping point, sorry, not NY, Dallas, should be Dallas. Can you quit? Let us go to shipping point determination first. We create a shipping point first. Go to enterprise structure, definition, say logistic general. Oh no, not here. It should be logistic execution. Define shipping point. Define shipping point, which is specific for Dallas Airport, and save it. Factory calendar, choose US calendar, save it, country US, save it, so to assign this Dallas point let me just check whether it has been properly assigned. I missed description. Dallas airport. Okay, now it's good. Let's assign this Dallas airport. Assign shipping point to plant. Let's assign it. Let me choose my Dallas plant. There's already a Dallas which is created by SAP, so ignore that. Just go to here. This is our Dallas plant and assign our shipping point, which will be Dallas airport, the one which is created by us just now. Click OK, assign it. Now go back, assign shipping point to, sorry, not here, come down and assign shipping points. Choose DALL. Shipping point will be Dallas airport. Press save. So regardless of shipping condition and loading group, all the goods from plant Dallas will be shipped to Dallas airport. So this is what I want to do, because it will be faster that way. Let me just see whether it will be loaded here. No. So we need to go back and come in again. Let me try this way. Missing, still doesn't refresh, so no choice. Let's go out and come in again. VA01. Oops, sorry. Press enter. 50002 1247. Order quantity 5 units. Go to header sales, enter USD here, document currency, go back and change this to Dallas and press enter. Click OK, go to conditions and try to save. It will ask for encode shipping point. Let us complete shipping point first. Let me see whether it's coming there. Oops, this is not possible. I don't know why it's not being proposed here. Probably requires a shipping point determination. Let me close this. Having too many sessions open. Let us go to SPRO again. Let me check something here. I know why. Because this customer has already a shipping condition defined. I think that is the reason it doesn't take the default for Dallas plant. So it's going by the shipping condition here, which is AS. So since we have already defined a shipping condition for customer 50002, it doesn't take the default shipping point that we have assigned to plant. It is going by this shipping condition. So we have no choice. We have to assign the shipping condition to the shipping point specifically. Doesn't matter. Let us do it now. Go to logistic execution, shipping, basic shipping functions. Here, assign shipping point, locate our plant, go to position cursor, shipping condition, plant, Dallas here, just copy this shipping condition AS and save it. So now we have two entries for Dallas, I believe two entries. Let me just check. Dallas, without one without the shipping condition and the other with the shipping condition. By contents, choose plant Dallas, choose there. One is without the shipping condition and the other one is with the shipping condition. So for any customers where there's no shipping condition defined, the system will automatically come and pick up this shipping point here. If the customer has got a shipping condition defined, it will come and pick it up here. Okay, let us save this. Let me see whether we have a luck where the system can refresh this shipping point. Oh yes, we are lucky. Screen is coded in such a way that it retrieves the latest entry from the configuration. So now we save it. No checking point. I don't know why this message is popping. Doesn't matter, just a information message. Go to Incoterms, FOB free on board, save it. Freight rate determined, terms of payment immediate, save it. Gross weight 20 and net weight 5. Documents complete. Yes, we are ready to save this with the profit margin of $4. Now let us save it. Okay, we have created as a standard order. Son will raise a sales order and send it to customer. So we have done it. In the sales order, delivering plan has been specified at Dallas. Yes, we have done it. Let me just double confirm that. I've forgotten if I changed the plant to Dallas. That is very important. It's still saving. Press enter again or wait for some time. Yes, it has been changed to Dallas. So now, sorry, here outbound delivery will be posted by Dallas. Okay, now let us go and post outbound delivery based on this sales order. Go to logistics, execution, not here, sorry, here, shipping and transportation, outbound delivery, create single document with reference to sales order. Shipping point is what was that? Dallas, DA, Dallas Airport. Selection date is 19, order is 7. Yes, press enter. Let us see what are the errors that we're going to get here. Sales order blocked for delivery credit limits. Yes, that's true. Let us go and unblock it. VA02. Changes to blank. This one. Save it. No checking group. Okay, go back and press enter. Should be okay now. Yep, we're delivering 5 quantity. Alright, actual code issue date should be 20th 05 2006 because our period is 2006. And let's save it now. Our post goods issue. Delivery has not been put away, picked up completely. Okay, need to enter the pickup quantity, which is 5. Then post goods issue again. Alright, now delivery has been saved and posted. So what is next? Sun will create a billing document for customer from delivery document created. Yes, let's do it now. Before that, before we go into the step, let us save this delivery document in a notepad. Before I do this, I just want to check one more thing. Let me call up this intercompany internal customer. Not been created. This company code is not sure. Wait, let me just go here, general data, and choose 15. Customer sales area. We have not maintained sales area for 500015. Let me just quit this. Go to XD03. test 2. Sorry, here change this to 15. Customer sales area, no sales area has been maintained for 500015. In that case, let me just check whether the customer has been created in the first place. FD03 file. Customer has not been created for company code. Test 2. How about Sun? So we have created it for NY sales organization under company code Sun, but this is not good enough because we need this internal customer to be created in this company code as well. So let us do it now. Test to create trade customers. Otherwise we will hit a problem. And we don't create from the scratch. Go back, we copy it from Sun so that we don't have to enter many things. So this is automatically copied from Sun. save this. So we just mention here the internal customer code. There's no space to enter, so just mention here internal customer number is this. So it is clear now. So let me go and create a billing document in the fourth step here. Okay, let's copy the delivery document, billing document for customer. Let's go now. Billing document T code is VF01. Create billing document. The document is already there from the delivery document. Press enter. Pricing error in item. What is the pricing error about? Let me just check it out. PI01 is missing. How can it be? I thought we have already entered. Let me just go back. Let me just go to header. I thought we have already entered. Let me just, I think it's not being copied over. So this is something to do with the copy control. Let me just try to do this. We create the billing document from the sales order directly. See whether it copies the PI01. I need to know what is the sales document for this. So let me go to VL03N. Should be VL03N. Enter. Go to sales flow, document flow. In other words, it's document flow. So we know standard order is this. Let's double click and display. Let me just check PI01 is there. So let me copy this. Delivery is here. Let me go to conditions, pricing elements, doesn't copy the delivery document doesn't copy the condition records. Let me just check what is the problem with this. So I'm going to create a billing document based on a sales order to see whether it copies the PI01 condition. See log. Let me go to log. What is the error? It cannot be directly invoiced. Okay, let me just check what is the problem with the PI document that we created earlier. So we press enter. I think something wrong with the pricing date. Let me just check the pricing date. Header billing date is 20. Probably that's a reason. Created on let me just go here and go to analysis. Pricing date, let me choose a pricing date as 19/02/2009. Before that, let me condition what is the pricing date that we entered while creating the PI01 condition. So under master data, conditions, select using condition type, display PI01 valid on 21st. So we have already entered a validity date of 19, so should be alright, and the billing date should be 19 as well. Let me check now whether it fixes the problem. Execute. Pricing error in item. So you got a pricing error. PI01 is missing. So let me enter manually. PI01 intercompany price $7. Does the system accept it? Yes, it accepts that. We can post it. We are still interested to know why it doesn't copy it automatically. Let me just check it out. Okay, I know the reason why the system does not automatically copy the PI01. It is because of this. Go to analysis. Let me explain that to you. Although we have changed the billing date to 19 February 2009, the system doesn't accept that. It follows back the goods issuance date, which is on 25th 2006, because I need to change it to 2006 because our period is pointing to that year, and the system automatically picks up that goods movement date as the default billing date and also the pricing date. So since we entered the PI01 condition record a price of $7 on 19, see this 19 to 31st 12 end of the universe year. This date does not fall in this period, so this price is not taken automatically. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy this date. I'm going to create a price for that date. 1247 $7, value from this to values from this date. So now the system will copy the price automatically. Let's go back, go back, go back. Now go back all the way. VF01, press enter. So the price should have been copied automatically now. VI01. Yeah, that was the problem. So if you get the price, the green message here, condition type is missing and things like that, just highlight that condition and go to analysis and go to the particular condition type and double click on top here and double click in the sub node, and you'll see the reason why the system couldn't find the condition record automatically. Now since we have changed the pricing date to 20th, the condition record has been found and $7 is shown here. Alright, so we can bill it now, save it. It has been created, billing document has been created. Let's display it now. There's one more thing I need to let you know. Press enter again. It has not updated the database, give it some time. One more thing I need to let you know while we are waiting. If the condition type cannot be maintained for automatic retrieval, you can also manually go and change the condition type in the pricing list, like I did just now. Let me show you that to you again. Just go here and there will be an empty space here. You can just click and choose the condition type and enter the price manually. You can also do that, no problem with that. So I have my step 4 done. Let's do, which means step 4 means Sun has billed the customer for $11. So now it is time for company code test 2 to bill internal customer 500015. Let us do it now. How do we do that process is just create the billing again using the same delivery document. Go to VF01, use the same delivery document. Since you are billing for the second time, the system will automatically know that it has to see log. What is the log? Sales organization not defined. Is this a delivery document? VL03, sorry, VL03N. It is a delivery document. Then go to VF01, enter the delivery document, press enter, incorrect because we have already created